So everybody, this is the okra stir fry that I have done on my Thermomix.
Okay, so this is actually very good for cancer patients, right?
And diabetics,
right?
Yes.
And it's good for everybody,
For various ailments.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you're going to do...
Stir fry some okra or
Okay.
lady's finger.
So before you stir fry with all the spices, right?
Yeah.
You need to get rid of the slime.
Slime.
So to get rid of the slime, you need to just fry it for a while, right?
Fry it for a while, yeah.
Alright, so the first thing you need to do is add the coconut oil, right?
Coconut oil.
Right.
A fair bit. Let's go to the scales.
Right.
And a little bit would do.
Like 20 grams?
No, I feel 20 is too much. 10 is more than enough.
Alright. Extra.
Okay. So now we drop it all in. It's roughly about 150 grams of okra.
Alright.
Time.
10 minutes, right?
10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. And this we go all the way to Varoma.
Right.
And this we go, this and reverse blade.
Alright.
And
That's it.
that's it.
So just wait for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. So the 10 minutes is over. You can see here.
Ooh, nice and green, right?
Yeah, and it still remains green. Remember, when we are doing this on a wok, there will be some charred remains in the okra. So it's never fully green like this. This is the best part about Thermomix. So now let's empty our bowl.
Actually, garlic is really anti-cancer.
Yeah,
Onions are also
you can't
anti-cancer.
go wrong with a lot of garlic in your food.
Yeah.
Actually, it's very, 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 very good.
Yes.
I don't know why some people say, oh, no. But no, I don't see anything wrong. In fact, it enhances the dishes very much.
Maybe they just don't like the smell of garlic.
Yeah, probably lah. But when your health is your wealth, you won't complain.
Yes. Okay, next one.
Okay, now we add a bit of
One large
onions.
onion. Okay.
One large onion, but we don't need to add all, because look, it's a very, not so much of okra.
Okay.
So we just,
Okay.
okay. Just a little bit. Okay. That's
Okay.
about almost 30 grams of
Alright.
onions, which is more than enough.
Okay.
Okay,
Next.
now we got to add a bit of coconut oil.
Okay.
Because coconut oil is the best. You can't go wrong for health purposes. I'll just add about 20. We need to
Close it.
roast this a while.
Right.
Then we go to the home, and we need to
How many?
five.
Okay, 5.
And now let's see.
Look at the smell.
Okay, this is this Thermomix. I love these new ones because you see this cup.
The cover,
doesn't
right?
go flying and you flip it over.
Yes.
I think one of the best things ever. Okay, and now we need to temper this. Yes, that's the word, temper.
Okay.
Temper it with a bit. No need to add any more oil. We add a bit of mustard seeds.
Alright.
Just a tad bit. You could see. Come here, Jess. Right?
Okay.
And a bit of fennel seeds. Just a bit.
That's about half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon.
Both.
Anything
yes.
else?
And for some color, so we add a bit of red chilies, which
Yes.
I had already pre-chopped.
Just 1 red chili. Okay.
Okay, and then about, we can go for Varoma.
Okay.
And we put on reverse.
Spoon stirring. I love this thing where you keep all the spices.
I always keep this here, so because it gives a nice, aroma.
Yes, and then see how you cover it?
Like this, and then nowadays my sister recently she bought they have a holder nowadays. You can pull it up. See, now I will struggle if your hands are wet and slippery. Oh my god, it's
Let's
so
go
hard.
shopping.
Can
I need one of these.
I need shopping is fabulous. Let's go do that. Maybe in Clang.
Yes.
Clang Very dangerous, but you know, shopping there's no limit.
That's true.
Yep.
Okay.
Or drop the okra in. Let's speak beautiful in our language, Jasmine. Oh, come and have a look. Oh my god, this is so nice.
Mmm. If only we can all smell it, right?
Yeah. Facebook has, technology hasn't come to that yet. Okay.
Okay.
And then let's not forget, we need a little bit of salt. I don't use a lot of salt, so
Yes.
very little bit only. Yeah? It's more like a sprinkling only.
Mm.
You see what I mean? Okay, so now
It's okay.
the okra is already cooked. We just need to stir everything around,
Okay.
make it all
And heat it up, right?
heat it up together. Even we can keep the temperature at 100,
Mm.
and we go on a spoon.
Mm.
Spoon.
Reverse spoon stirring.
blade.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Nice.
And yummy.
See, the
In this style.
nutrients are so retained.
Yes.
Yes, we did cook to remove the slime, but we don't remove all the slime because the slime is also good for
For your
health.
stomach, for health, for everything.
Yes.
Yeah. Looks so good.
Nice. And you see how green it is. It still retains the greenness.
Thank you.